Everyone, in this video we're going to learn about the most dangerous or the command which you have to use very consciously. The command is rm command, remove command. This command is used to delete components or software or folders or files from your system, right? If so, the fact is that if you don't use it carefully, then it's gonna wipe out everything from your system. And the bad thing is that there is no trash available or bin file available. If you delete some file or folder using this command, it's gonna wiped out. Okay, so be careful. Okay, so the command is rm, right? If you write its help, shows you a ton lot of stuff, right? But in real time or daily usage, there are basically two flags that are very commonly used with this command. So I'm going to talk about those, not get into the details of these help options, every options. If you are interested, you can go through this menu, right, by writing this command. So let's get started. Currently, I'm standing at this position, the desktop. I have created two things. I have created a folder and a test file. These two are basically the dummy files, right? And I want to delete them. So the easiest one is to delete a file. If I write this rm and write the name of the file and hit enter, it will be deleted, right? But if I want to do this with a folder, it would show that it is a directory. It's not going to do that, right? So you need to use a flag called -r and hit enter. It's going to be deleted. Moreover, if we create this, right, we have test inside test. If I do this, it's going to be deleted. The reason is this R stands for recursive. So it's going to delete each and everything inside the folder as well. Okay. Sometimes it shows you the warnings, right? Let's say that this is not empty and it contains some files. You should not delete it. And if you want to avoid those warnings, you can add another flag that's called F. If you write F, that means forcefully delete it. If you do this, then it's going to work. But with a caution, be careful. You may wiped out some important data on your system. So that is it for this video. Let's meet in the next one.